All right, here we are. I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna do a little review. I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Is that what it's called? I don't even care. It's so silly, unboxing. But look at this. You know this look, right? The black and that yellow. The yellow has some orange in it. That's what makes it so fabulous. Look at this. Oh, look at that kit of insanity. Oh my goodness. I got the black. You know how they have the chrome or the black color. You know, if you're gonna be doing work, right? You gotta have black tools. I don't even know why you would get any other color. But I'm looking at this. So this is how it comes. I don't know what this is. This is like you hang it somewhere. So I think that comes out once we open it. And you can't open it because there's this thingy right here. I'm just going to try to cut that right off. Let's see. There we go. So they put a little tie. Put a little tie there. So let's see if this just opens up. And 1, 2. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the way things are made by some companies, right? So you see the hinge right here? I don't know if you can see that. There's a metal rod. It's not plastic on plastic. The cool thing about this, the clear top, is so you can see that all your tools are in place, right? I don't know what this nonsense is. I guess this is a sticker that shows you how to use it. But you know how to use socket wrenches, right? But look at this, how beautiful this is, right? Look at that. Look at that. It's just made so fantastic. And you know why they did this. This is an insert. They probably use this box for other things, right? They just make a new insert so you're not making the box over and over again. And look at this. Look at that. DEWALT. You see that? That means something. It means something to everybody, right? Let's see how that goes in. Who knows? Oh, look at that. Oh, and look. This has a hole right there where you should line that ball bearing up. When you push that, the bearing goes down. Can you see that? That's how it clips in. So it moves. Let's do that. Look at that. Huh? And so there you go. That's unloosening it. And then if you turn this, that's tightening. All right, so that's great. All right, so now when you want to pull this out, look at that, look at that, look at that. Right, look at that. So when you want to take this out, you just push that button. And there it is. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful set. Comes with an extension. You know what extension is, right? Just in case you can't reach where you want to reach. And that also has the little hole drilled in there. And that connects. And then this connects to that. And there it is. So simple. Look at that. And so, let me know what this is. So this could also be used as a thingy, whatever. I don't even know what I'm saying. Does anyone know what I'm saying? I don't even know what I'm saying. But whatever. Oh, there you go. It goes like that. There we go. This goes to something. So I'm gonna make. See, I was doing fine for now, and then I ruined it by trying to use this piece right here. I don't even care what that's for. I didn't even buy it for that. I don't even know what it is. But let me tell you, 5 stars right here. Because when you show up on the job, you have a DEWALT right here. People know. Oh, let's take this off. People know you're a professional. I even hate to say it. I don't want to be like that guy who says, you know, silliness like this. You know, it's kind of like when you go to your office, right? And you show up with just the right suit, the right clothes, the right whatever, right? The right watch. And you show up to a job site and you have DEWALT tools. You're there. Look at this. Look at that. Huh? Look at that. It even has a little carrying. Show up on the job with DEWALT tools. They know you're there and you mean business. So this is 5 stars all day, 5 stars. Get it?
That's not gonna last. So, but that's not what you're looking for. Let's take a look at the sockets. Sturdy. Like it. They're marked. That's nice. $22, $24, $22, $21. Everything looks good. I like this. This feels rugged. If you don't mind it, then that's fine. But you're gonna. This is not gonna last if you're working. So I suggest it. Nice sockets, nice ratchet. But I would suggest getting a different container for your tools. That is not gonna last you. Okay. So, lifetime warranty. It's not for the container, but feels like a good purchase. I want it for the tools. I'll give the tools a 5. I'll give the container a 3. A weak 3. If it was just a little bit more sturdy, I would give it a bigger rate than that. So tools, I give it 5. DEWALT, you can't beat that. DEWALT's decent. Yeah, that ain't. Who you kidding? So there you go.
Bye.